Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a shortcut to convert photos to PDF on iPhone. Now let's go ahead and open the shortcuts application right here and open or click this plus sign right here. Make PDF is what we are going to use, and I'm just going to go ahead and click the I right here and then click the option that says show in share sheet and then click done right here. And then from here, it says if there's no input, click the continue right one and click ask for, and we're going to go ahead and change the photos right here to files. Next, you have here make PDF from. I'm going to go ahead and click that one, or rather click this one right here, and then we're going to go ahead and click shortcut input. Next, we're going to go ahead and click for another search actions right here, and we're going to go ahead and use quick look just like so. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click this one right here and then click add to home screen, where you can go ahead and make a few changes right here. So yeah, I can go ahead and add something. I'm just going to go ahead and make it brief. Say for example, use this and then click add right here. All right, so basically this is how it's gonna look like. I can go ahead and click on that, and then we should be able to have access to the images that we have here on our file. So I'm just going to use image. So let's just say these two images right here, since I think this would be like one that you would least expect to become a PDF file. Now, what if, say, for example, you're already done with that? You can go ahead and click this button right here on the bottom right, and you should be able to see here it's a PDF document. You can then go ahead and scroll down here, and you should see an option that says Save the Files. Go ahead and click that if you want to save this to your local files. And again, everybody, that's how you're going to create a shortcut to convert photos to a PDF on iPhone.